Hello everyone, my name is Firas. Today I will do a story in my daily routine. It is at the wake up until you sleep. I want to make you with me through a full day of my life as a journalist student from the moment I wake up until I finally go to sleep again. I will show you what daily routine is look like. Simple, busy, sometimes strange, but always meaningful. My day usually starts early. The alarm rings and even though I want to stay in bed a little longer. I remind myself that being a student means learning to manage time. I get up, wash my face, prepare a simple breakfast, and try to set a positive mindset for the day. Morning is the moment where I prepare myself, not just physically, but mentally, for everything that's coming. After washing my face and performing ablution,
الله
after washing
أكبر
my face and
الله أكبر
wudu, I perform the tahajjud prayer. After that, I read the
الله أكبر
Al-Quran until it was time for the Fajr prayer.
الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله أشهد أن محمد رسول
After the morning prayer, I read the Quran and the zikr. And if there is a lot of homework, I do it. After that the bed, I have to go to the campus. I prepare go to the campus.
My time on campus is spent in class or studying. Sometimes the lessons are challenging, sometimes they are fun, and sometimes they feel endless. But that's part of being a student. I take notes, ask questions when I need to, and try to absorb as much as possible. Even on difficult days, I remind myself that every lesson brings me one step closer to my goals. As the day goes on, I usually move on from one building to another. Sometimes I walk alone with my earphones on, and other times I meet friends along the way. We talk about assessment, upcoming exam, or just random things to refresh our minds. The little break between class really helps me stay energized throughout the day. During lunch break, I often grab something simple to eat, sometimes for the cafeteria, sometimes for a nearby food stall. It depends on my mood and my wallet. Lunch is one of the moments where I can relax for a bit, enjoy my food, and mentally reset before the next class starts. Sometimes I'll also use the times to finish small assessment or review my notes. Afternoon are usually my business time. There are group meetings, lab session, or presentation that need preparation. Working with my classmates can be trying, but it is also where I learn the most, not just academically, but also how to collaborasi, komunikasi, and be patient. This experience help build skills I know I will need in the future. After everything is done, I usually stay at campus for a while, either in the library or a quiet corner. This is when I review the material from today or prepare for tomorrow. It is not always easy to stay focused, especially when I am tired, but I try to stick to my routines. Little by little, day by day, progress adds up. Before going home, I sometimes take a moment to just breathe. I look at the sunset, watch people leaving campus, and feel grateful for another day of learning. Being a student is not also always easy, but it's a journey filled with growth, challenge, and small victories. And at the end of the day, I remind myself that I'm doing my best, and that's enough. During lunchtime, I usually buy something simple to eat, sometimes for the campus cafeteria, sometimes for a small food stall nearby. It depends on my mood and my wallet. Lunchtime is a moment when I can relax a little, enjoy my food, and reset my mind before the next class begins. Sometimes I use this time to finish small assessment or review my notes, but often I just want to sit down, take a breath, and enjoy the campus atmosphere. The cafeteria is usually quite crowded at this hour. The sound of pallets, classes, and conversation blend together, creating a lively environment. Sometimes I eat while listening to music, but other times I chat with friends who happen to pass by or share the same table. The conversation vary about assessment, like tourists or random things like the newest movie or the latest viral meme. If I want a quieter atmosphere, I go to a small food stall behind the campus. The place is simple, but the food is good and the prices are friendly. There I can eat while enjoying the breeze far from the crowd. Sometimes small moments like that become the things I look forward to the most each day. After eating, I usually spend a few minutes checking my notes for the next class, just to make sure I'm not missing any material or forgetting an assessment. If I'm in a good mood, I may finish a small exercise or two. But if I feel lazy, I just sit back, watch people walk by, and enjoy my break to the fullest. Besides eating and studying, last time is also my social recharge time. Sometimes I meet close friends and we talk about many things, classes, vacation plans, or simply jokes around to relieve stress. Conversation like that make the day feel lighter. Even talk is short, the small interaction means a lot to me. There are also days when I choose to walk around campus, just to move my body after sitting for long hours in class. I watch other students doing their activities, some taking photos, some browsing to meet deadlines, and some sleeping in the gazebo or the small garden near the library. All of that's become part of the daily campus scenery I see. Sometimes when the weather is nice, I sit in the outdoor area while enjoying a cold drink. In this moment, I often reflect for a bit about the assessment piling up, the goals I want to achieve this semester, or even random talks about life. Not too serious, but enough to remind me that being a student is not only about studying, it is also about managing your daily rhythm. Last time is also when I evaluated myself. Have I been productive this week? Am I keeping my commitment, not to procrastinate? Sometimes I feel prone because I'm more disciplined, but other times I laugh at myself because I still end up doing tasks at the last minute. The student life always full ups and downs. And someday I use my break to take care of small errands like photocopying assessment, printing material, or doing stationery. Simple things, but if I don't do them during the break, they stay on my mind. I also occasionally go to the library to borrow books or find a cool spot to work for a while. But most importantly, last time is my chance to refocus after a busy morning. This breaks feel like a reset button that prepares me for the rest of the day. As, especially if I have a difficulty class afterward or a literary kernel for being strict. I really need those quiet moments. Even so, There are days when my lunch break is taken up by student organization meeting. Although steering those activities give me new experience and teach me about teamwork and team management. So even if my break is shorter, I still feel like it is part of my journey as a student. Finally, when the break is almost over, I get ready to go back to class. I take my bag, make sure I have everything. I start walking toward the next room. Sometimes I feel lazy to continue studying, but there are also days when I feel excited because the material is interesting. Either way, lunchtime help me feel more prepared for the rest of the day. Walk around campus, used to move my body after sitting for long hours in class. There was other students doing their activities, some taking photos, some using to meet deadlines, and some sleeping in the gazebo or the small garden near the library. All of that's become part of the daily campus scenery I see. Sometimes when the weather is nice, I sit in the outdoor area while enjoying a cold drink. In this moment, I often reflect for a bit about the assessment filling up because I went to achieve this semester or even random talks about life.